This video will show you how to locate and restore an archived chat on ChatGPT. You can archive a chat in ChatGPT. To do it, hover over Chat on the left sidebar. Click on the 3 horizontal dots. From a menu, choose Archive. Now that you've archived it, how do you locate and bring it back to your chat section? There's no archive menu on the ChatGPT left bar. So, how do you access the archive chat? Click on your profile on the bottom left. Then, choose Settings. Next, choose Data Controls. Click on Manage Archive Chats. On your right, click on Unarchive Conversation. Then close the settings box. You'll see that the archive chats have now been restored in the chat section. That's how you locate and restore an archived chat on ChatGPT. Now, go ahead and give the steps a try.
Simply click the link below to learn more.